5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
30, middle of a crest 30, 6 right of a crest long, tightens 3. Into 2 left long, tightens 1. 6 right. Into 4 left long, into 3 right of a crest long, tightens 50. 4 left of a crest, slow 30, gate and turn 1 left. 50. Turn unseen, 2 right long, tightens bad camber. Into 6 left and slow. 5 right tightens into turn hairpin left. Opens into 4 left of a crest into turn square right, don't cut. 30. 5 right into 5 left. Into 6 right and don't cut. 3 left of a crest long, tightens. 150. 6 right long of a crest, tightens. Into 3 left, keep in of a jump. Into 4 right of a dip, opens of a crest, 60. 5 right, long, into 6 left of a crest, bump, into 4 right, tightens. Into 5 left of a crest, into 4 right long. Keep left of a 30, 3 right tightens. Into 4 left, opens of a crest, 30. 6 right through gate and jump into 5 left long. Into 4 right. 40 through gate, 5 right. Into 5 left. Into 3 right of a crest long, tightens. 50. 5 right long, opens of a crest, tightens. Into 4 left of a crest and jump. Opens and tightens. Keep right of a bump into 5 left. 5 right, 6 left of a jump. Into 4 right tightens. Keep left of a crest, jump. Into 3 right tightens. Into 5 left. Into 4 right long, tightens 2. Keep left of a 30. Keep middle of a jump. Into 4 right long, tightens. 50. Don't cut. 3 left tightens. Into 3 right of a jump. Into 5 left. And 3 right long, tightens. Into 3 left long, tightens. Opens of a crest. Into 5 right long, tightens 4. Into 6 left. And 3 right long, tightens. And 3 left long, tightens. Into 6 right of a crest. 40. 3 left long, tightens. Into 2 right long, tightens. Slow, keep left of a 70, turn unseen hairpin right, uphill. Crest and 2 left long, opens 60, over finish. 80 to stop. Well done.